Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Wotnot SPF 30 plus natural sunscreen, broad spectrum UVA and UVB both. Probably the only sunscreen with all natural ingredients. The product is very good, the SPF is very decent, and the packaging is very nice. The only sunscreen in the market that has all the natural ingredients. All in all, the product is very good, the product is very nice, the packaging is very good, and it is really safe to be used on children as well. uh, Whatnot being an older brand in the market, they have really worked hard on the product, and the product is very good, and the product is very nice. The side effects are zero because it is made up of all natural ingredients. The ingredients are very good, probably all natural, all extracted from nature, so will not give you any side effect on your kid's skin or your baby's skin. Probably recommended for children's as well. Nice product, nice ingredient, nice SPF, and yeah, a nice product, and it is definitely a nice sunscreen as well. And people who have been looking for good sunscreens in the market, Whatnot has always been there for them who are looking for a nice and safe sunscreen. Whatnot is a nice brand, and people who have been looking for better brands in the market, then Whatnot is what they should go for, because it is a broad spectrum sunscreen protecting them from UVA and UVB, will protect you from UVA and UVB. And the being broad spectrum, it has also worked on many kids skins as well. um, but it is highly recommended by dermatologists, pediatrics and geriatrics as well. Nice product, and definitely a nice touch, and definitely nice product protecting you from UVA and UVB, both a broad spectrum sunscreen. And yeah, it is a nice product, and it is highly recommended from my side. And all in all, the ingredients are very good, the qualities are very good, and if you're looking forward for a nice sunscreen, then this is what you should go for, because it's a nice sunscreen and with nice ingredients and all the natural ingredients. The product has been in the market since a very long time, and people have been using it since a very long time. So all in all, the product is definitely recommended from my side to buy, and you should surely go for it. That's all for today, and thank you for watching.